Welcome back to the Car Xplorer. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting releases in the world of luxury travel and innovation, the Volvo Motorhome 2026. This vehicle isn't just another motorhome. It's a futuristic statement of design, comfort, and performance, redefining what life on the road should feel like. Volvo has always been known for its focus on safety, durability, and Scandinavian minimalism, but with this motorhome, they've taken all of those strengths and wrapped them into a true rolling luxury residence. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. From the front, the design language immediately reflects Volvo's futuristic vision. The grille is sleek and modern, with integrated LED lighting that creates a signature glow at night. The headlights themselves feature Volvo's signature Thor's hammer design, upgraded with sharper edges and adaptive laser technology for maximum visibility. The overall shape is aerodynamic for such a large vehicle, sculpted with smooth lines and subtle curves that reduce drag and improve efficiency on long highway drives. Large 22-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in all-terrain tires, give the motorhome a strong and capable stance. The side profile is highlighted by clean surfaces, frameless panoramic windows, and subtle chrome accents, while the rear showcases a bold, vertically stacked LED tail light cluster that keeps true to Volvo's DNA. A powered awning, roof-mounted solar panels, and smart storage compartments complete the exterior, making it both stylish and functional. Stepping inside, the interior of the Volvo Motorhome 2026 feels more like a luxury Scandinavian apartment than a vehicle. The use of high-quality, sustainable materials such as natural wood, recycled fabrics, and soft leather instantly sets the tone for comfort and eco-consciousness. The front cabin features futuristic digital displays with Volvo's next-generation infotainment system powered by Google integration, giving seamless navigation, entertainment, and smart home controls. Swivel captain chairs with massage, heating, and ventilation functions ensure long drives remain comfortable. Moving into the living area, you're greeted by an open-plan design with a full-length panoramic glass roof that floods the space with natural light. The lounge area includes a large L-shaped sofa that transforms into an additional bed, accompanied by a 55-inch retractable OLED smart TV and a premium surround sound system for entertainment. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped, featuring an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, microwave, and even an integrated coffee machine. Storage has been cleverly designed with hidden compartments and modular units to maximize space without cluttering the sleek design. The bedroom is a true highlight, featuring a queen-size memory foam bed with adjustable firmness, mood lighting, and a large window that creates a sense of openness even while on the move. The bathroom rivals those in high-end apartments, with a rainfall shower, eco-flush toilet, heated floors, and a vanity with ambient LED lighting. Every corner of the interior emphasizes comfort, modern technology, and intelligent design, making it a true home on wheels. In terms of performance, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 is as advanced as it is luxurious. It's powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, combining a high-output diesel engine with dual electric motors, delivering over 600 horsepower and incredible torque for smooth long-distance cruising. The motorhome can switch between hybrid and pure electric modes, offering a range of up to 150 kilometers on battery alone, perfect for quiet and eco-friendly camping. Volvo has also integrated its latest all-wheel drive system, ensuring the vehicle remains capable on different terrains, whether it's highways, countryside roads, or light off-road tracks. With adaptive air suspension, the ride is incredibly smooth, and the handling feels surprisingly agile for a vehicle of this size. Safety, of course, is at the core. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most futuristic luxury vehicles ever made, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Car Xplorer for more detailed reviews of the most exciting cars and motorhomes of the future.